All right, we're gonna give our first real official attempt, kind of. This is our second attempt. I restudded the tires from last attempt. Levi just added more. He was already getting a lot better grip than me. I threw a little glue on there too. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but we got the better studs. We got the studs made for it.
We got elbow pads this time.
This is the front setup. Yeah, we got elbow pads. Brought a little protection. Oh gosh. Oh man, that was sketchy.
I thought we were supposed to have a lot more traction than that.
Yeah, maybe our studs suck.
That might be it.
No, my lever. Oh yeah, we can actually wheel it. Oh my gosh, this has so much more traction. Oh my gosh. He's figuring it out. Look at that. Yeah. Dude, you're getting down on that thing. It gets so low to the ground.
It does. Suppose you want it back.
You're good at it, huh?
Suppose you want it back.
A little bit. Successful little brake tap there. Oh, I didn't even get that yet. Whoa! Oh! Yeah, you're killing it though. You got it down. That was third gear. Oh no, oh geez. spectator sport. The locals love it.
Oh no! Oh snap! Yo, get out of there! Yo!
Let's talk about what we thought after summary report. My setup was a little better. I bought those $75 1,000 pack studs from D-Kirk, and they definitely did a lot better than the Menards, the homemade Menards studs that Levi was running. My bike setup definitely had a lot more grip. We're probably gonna replicate my setup on his bike, but I still lost a ton of my studs, and that kind of sucks. Definitely gonna try to get it out there again and keep doing this because it's pretty fun. And hopefully Levi doesn't wake up at 2 p.m. again, so we can get out here and get a little bit more daylight. We'd still be ripping if it wasn't for Levi.
Oh my God, you didn't tell me we were riding today.
I'm not gonna leave that in the cut. I'm gonna make it look like it's all your fault. Alright, well that's gonna do it for this video. We'll see y'all later. Peace.